在钓海那种。
As the cruise ship had just set sail, the stern turned into a seagull gathering spot. Someone was holding up a half-meter-long sausage, luring seagulls to circle and wheel overhead. A dark, dense mass of them. It seems it's not just humans who want something for nothing. These well-fed seagulls are no exception. They look clumsy, flying by riding the wind, sometimes hovering in midair like kites. Probably many people want to catch one. I wanted to catch one too, but I'm a person of action, so I got right to it. One hand holding a sports camera, the other poised to grab ... 第一次就摸到了海鸥的腿。The second time I actually caught one. Kids behind me immediately shouted that Mr. caught a seagull. I thought to myself, what would grilled seagull taste like? I was almost truly tempted, but looking at its flapping wings and hearing its cries of fear, and the eyes of the kids behind me, I felt genuinely embarrassed. After hesitating for only 3 seconds, I let it go. As it flew away, it actually turned its head to look at me, as if saying, you only get this one chance. And it was true. No matter how quick I was after that, I never caught another one. True travel always happens in unexpected moments.